this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a transparent photo manipulation in Photoshop. So, I am going to use this image as a background. Go to Filter menu, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Increase radius like this, then hit OK. Now import the fruit image. Make the layer rasterize. Now, using pen tool to select the image like this. Now right click and make selection. Now invert the selection by pressing Ctrl Shift I. Now go to Edit menu, then copy. Now paste in place. Now turn off the layer visibility. Now change the blending mode to screen. Then go to Image menu, then Adjustment to Desaturate. Again Image menu to Adjustment to Labels. Now change the input labels like this. Right click on layer thumbnail and select pixels. Now go to selection menu, then modify to expand if needed. Now turn on the layer visibility and create a layer mask. Now press Ctrl I to invert. Now import the fruit slice and resize it accordingly as shown. Press Ctrl T, then right click, then warp. Now adjust the upper part as shown. Now import the cute baby image and resize it properly as needed. Now create a new layer. Then select brush tool. Reduce flow, then create drop shadow for this baby image. Now take a gradient layer and make linear to radial. Select color as shown. Now press Ctrl J to copy the gradient layer. Now place it in upper corner. Now it's look like sunlight coming. Now create a new layer. Then select brush tool. Then select water splash brush. Make sure foreground color is white. Now create water splash like this. I will give you this brush download link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to watch more creative work like this.